Good morning, students. Let's continue with our lesson, the Northern Mountains. So today we'll study about the great mountaineers and how the Himalayan help us. That what are the advantages of Himalayas. So first we'll study about the mountaineers. Let me explain you what do you mean by mountaineers. Mountaineer is the set of activities that involves ascending mountains. It includes traditional outdoor climbing, skiing, etc. And the famous mountain climbers are Tenzing Norgay, Edmund Hillary, Simon Morrow, Bachendri Pal, and are many more mountaineers are there who climb the mountains. You can see in the picture here. First picture is of Tenzing Norgay, second Edmund Hillary, third is your Bachendri Pal. They are the courageous men often trying to reach the great heights of the Himalayas. Now Tenzing Norgay and the Edmund Hillary were the first men to reach the top of the Mount Everest in 1953. And Tenzing was from India and Hillary was from New Zealand. Then in 1984, Bachendri Pal, a brave Indian woman, also climbed Mount Everest. She was the first Indian woman to scale the world's highest peak. Then come to the advantages of Himalayas. How the Himalayas help us. The Himalayas are of great advantage to us. They help us in many ways. First point, they guard our northern borders. It is difficult for an enemy to cross these high borders. Means the Himalayas are of great height. And you studied in science, as we go higher and higher, oxygen level goes on decreasing, means oxygen level is less. So it is very difficult for our enemy to cross this high border and reach our country. In this way, Himalayas protect our borders. Second point, they protect us from the freezing wind blowing from the north. Means the freezing wind coming from the north side are not able to cross the Himalayas, and in this way it protects us from the freezing wind. But the China are not escaped from this wind. In winter season it is full of snow. Third point, they check the monsoons coming from the seas. These monsoon winds have a lot of moisture in them. They cause good rainfall in the northern plains. Here, the monsoon winds coming from the seas, they check it and cause good rainfall. Fourth point, many rivers rise in the Himalayas. Their water is used for irrigation. Earlier also I explained you that Himalaya is the origin of the rivers, and the water from this river is used for irrigation and for many other purposes. Fifth point, the Himalayan forest provide us timber and many other useful products. Timber means wood prepared for used in building and carpentry, and it is used for many other useful products also. Sixth point, these forests provide a natural home to many kinds of birds and animals. So in Himalayas you will find many thick forests, like in Shivalik range there is a thick forest, and it is a natural home to many kinds of birds and animals. Seventh point, the Himalayan ranges also give us a few minerals like garnets, signals, corundum, etc. found in Himalayan ranges. So these are the advantages of Himalayas. So that's all for today. Thank you.